In this video, we are going to create a happy birthday banner using Photoshop. So you can select the ratio that you want to go with. I'm going to go with 10 by 13 inches, and then I'm going to write the project title as happy birthday to me, and then the others I will just leave them as default. So the first thing that we are going to do is to import the image of a city to create a background, a stunning background. Just remember, you can drag and drop, position the same, well, like that. And then I'm going to add some bar, around 15, like that. That one looks good. I'm going to import the image. I'm going to use an image of Mr. Bean. If this video is helping you, you can give it a like so that you can recommend it to many people. I'm going to disable it first of all because I want to brush some color. I'm going to add a layer, and then I'm going to use the brush tool to brush through the image using the green color like that. I'm going to create, then I'm going to reduce the opacity here to around like that, and some brush here and there, and then I'm going to add a thickness like that, and then I'm going to brush to create a new layer, and then I'm going to brush on top of it. Having selected the image, you can now drag it up like that, and you can see that we have done a great job. The next thing that I'm going to do is to add some text, the happy. First of all, we are going to add a happy text. I'm going to drag it on top like that, and then I'm going to change the color to white like that. I'm going to light it with a small letters happy, small letters happy like that, and then I'm going to increase the size. First of all, I'm going to choose the font. I'm going to go with this one. I think that this one looks good. Then I'm going to increase the size, still small. I'm going to give it maybe 100. That one looks good. Now I'm going to add some emboss like that. Then that one looks good. I'm going to light the birthday text here. Using the capital letter because I want it to be more visible. Then I'm going to select the fonts. Maybe I can go with the autumn Still not happy about it. I think this one might look good, but let us also change the color to maybe yellow. Yeah, that one looks good. And I'm going to add some big font like that. Also, I have noted that I have missed a letter here, like that. I'm going to reduce the size to around 120, and then I'm going to let it be behind the happy text. Having completed that, I'm now going to add the date. First of all, let us style the birthday using the emboss. Just I have added it to be the default, just like that. And you can see it is popping well. I'm going to add the date here. I'm going to reduce the size of the text. Tomorrow is around 1st August. I'm going to light maybe just one, and then light August. First August is my birthday, so that is the reason that I'm using it. And I'm going to change the font like that. Also, I'm going to add some space here so that I can have some space to add the ST, changing the color to white. And then I'm going to write an ST using the small letters, that is fast, so that I can import it in the 1st August like that. And then I'm going to change the font here to around that one, and then I'm going to drag it on top of the first. Let me make it larger. Like that. I'm going to add some emboss and just leave it like that. Looking good. Also, I'm going to add the 1st August with the same filters. Like that. And then I'm going to insert the name of the person who the birthday is to. I'm going to give it maybe Mr. Brown. Here you are going to insert your name. Like for me, I'm going to go with Mr. Brown. And then I'm going to drag it below the birthday. that. Then I have to increase the font. Like that. I'm going to add some emboss. Also, I'm going to add some shadow, small shadow. Go to effects, go to emboss, and then I'm going to add some drop shadow like that. Remember, it is normal. Then I'm going to add some spread just like that. Now select the 1st August and position it, and 1st August, and position it wherever you want it to be. I'm going to leave it maybe I'm go here. I think that one will look good, so that I can add on the other hand the venue where we'll be celebrating the birthday. I'm going to light the King's Garden. King's Garden points like that. I'm going to change the font. Also, I will link the video of how you can add a lot of fonts in your laptop for you to use them, maybe in Word, maybe in Photoshop like I'm using it. I have created a video of the same. Also, I'm going to add some emboss like that. Then I'm going to add some texture of maybe grass, and this one. It looks good. Then I'm going to position it. There, like that. I'm going to light the date on the venue using the same font, using maybe small letters like that. And then I'm going to choose maybe a stylish font. This one looks good. Add in some emboss, and then I'm going to make it an underlined like that. I'm going to duplicate the same and change it to location. Here, location. All I will add venue. I'm going to change it to white color overlay. I'm going to choose white. We have completed our happy birthday Mr. Brown banner. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any question or any point that you have not understood. Please subscribe for you not to miss the 60 days video series that I'm creating right now. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.